Wadla ke Elekshon MDC Hagaro Hills Autonomous District Council kadai House Number 1 Henreina kaliang unong yalam ke National People's Party Khuborjylla ubabadru yaka syuki sembut Menteri Rangba basnya balangdhar ulayathu baka Jingkyrmen kadon yaka parti bakan yo banjob dan Burom biang haka Jingkyrmen berkilat pathai Khubor ubasnya balangdhar ulayathu ru baka parti ke ngos kem bat kadon ke Jingkyrmen basashi sien pat kin yo banyalam biang yaka Executive Committee Ghadc.
Ghadc elections, you want to know my plans. My plan is we will work hard to make sure our party should be. Not some positive, it's a very, very positive response, and even the employees of the Ghadc express their happiness also. Because the government take action very smoothly immediately. You see about ticket, always that we are prepared for the sitting, always, every elections. Finally, we have to maybe the president has to receive the report from the president of the unit. But as of today, we are still very early to say that whom to give ticket, whom to deny ticket. As of now, the question of deny does not arise at all. As we will break it. No other party so far has got 33 MLAs and only MP has got it. We used to break the record and we will break it in 28 years. So we will come with complete majority, with single majority. Very sure. We'll go hard.